Hello friends, today we are going to see how to make a logo within 5 minutes. For that we want to put a website create.vista.in, create.vista.com. I will put this link in description. You will click on this link. After that you need to log in. I have logged in with my account. Then you click on create logo. After that this screen will appear. Then click on create logo. Then put the name of your business. I will put XYZ and click on next. Then the information of your industry. What is your industry about? Again, I will put XYZ. Then click on next. Then add your business tagline. I don't have, so if you have your tagline, then add it in this. Then click on next. Then put the keywords which describes your ideal logo. That the keywords you want on your logo. For example, which type of image you want your on your logo. So after putting in that information, click on next. Then there are the options where will you put your logo: business cards, clothing, ads, bags, labels, websites, and or something else. Then click on show logos. It will generate a logo gallery. Here are the logo gallery will be generated right now. So select the logo as your choice. I will select this. Then click on customize one. Then you 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 can customize accordingly. That is, you can change layout, add text, change color, change size, etc. Then click on, you also preview your logo. While when you click on preview, then click on finish to download your logo. This is the final step. After that you will download your logo. Here it is. Our final logo is ready. Now you just click on download logo package. Here is the whole package will be is downloaded. Show in folder. After extracting the package, you see all your logo files in that. Okay friends, so I have downloaded. So in this logo you get logo PDF, logo PNG, logo SVG, logo transparent PDF, logo transparent PNG, logo transparent SVG. Full social media pack of your logo is ready. You will get all the package logo. So when you want to create your logo, please visit this site. I will put the link in the description. Thanks for the watching the video. Please do subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you.